Let's continue on with our tour on the outside of this home in Newport and have a look around the backyard. Lots of space, nicely fenced, terrace landscaping, nice and private. There's a very attractive little water feature in the corner, really attracts wildlife and birds. There's a hot tub, also nice and private, and a big deck, great place to entertain and relax and barbecue. Also, there's an elevated deck up here as well. We'll look at that in a second. Lots and lots of space here. Very attractive gardens and plantings. Looks nice. And from up on the upper deck, the views are even better. Get a nice wraparound view. We'll take a look at this again when we look at this big family room. Just right. Stay with us. We're going to go inside next.